showing the plating of the 12 pieces, and then also I gonna show also how to make a nigiri. So first of all, I introduce my basic equipment here in the Sushino. First we have a tanko, or this one microfiber, and then the very important to make all kinds of maki, we have a bamboo mat, our gloves, chopping board, and our Japanese knife. For the ingredients, today gonna make some California maki. We have fly fish egg to be cooked. Okay, and then from inside of California, we have crab stick or kani, citriolo, pipino or cucumber, and then sweet mango like me. Oh, but a little bit dark. Still sweet. Okay, for the rice, we have Japanese rice here. And then for the side dish of sashimi, we have origami cucumber with this together with shredded carrots, or they call this one chuma. And then for the sashimi, we have salmon, tuna, eel, and octopus. And next, for the nigiri, we have shrimp, salmon, tuna, and then sweet tamago. For the side dish, we have alga, or they call this one wakame. Next, ginger pickles. Okay. Second one, we have lemon wedge. And then the last one is my favorite, ice cream, wasabi. Love. Okay, let's do this. So first, we can have some Japanese lotion. Our gloves here. Of course, scrub and then a little bit exercise.
It's possible to make a video?
Yes, of course.
Thanks.
Okay, we're gonna take some 120 to 125 grams of Japanese rice. Yeah. We're gonna take this nori one here. So we spread the rice through the nori. We're gonna use first our right hand side. Just push the rice. And then spread on top. And then we're gonna place in our bamboo mat here. Next, our ingredients. Orange to be called. Spread on the top of the rice. So come like this. Okay. And then we're gonna flip upside down to expose that side of the nori. And then we're gonna put some sauce inside. Then our ingredients: crab stick, cucumber, and sweet mango, manga. Okay. The technique to make all kinds of maki, we gotta leave at least 1 inch between the bamboo mat and then the nori. So we hold together with 2 fingers with the thumb. I'm gonna show you like this. And then you can hold also the ingredients inside with 3 fingers. So we flip forward and then repeat the process until the product can finish. Good. Very fast, so easy. And then we gonna press both sides. Now this is our California maki. Very silent. Thank you. Okay, bye-bye. Okay, listen to this. For the next one, our nigiri. So first we have a shrimp. Next, our salmon, tuna, and then sweet tamago. Then we have also Japanese rice here, at least only 5 grams. So I make already bowl. And now we're gonna take our shrimp here for our left hand side. Just place like this. And then put it center the rice here. So I'm gonna show you. It's very gentle. Just press. Just leave it here inside. So we have a little mermaid. Oh, la la. Okay. So this is our nigiri. So same process. We have a salmon here. Just a second. And then, last one, sweet tamago or wobo frito with soya. Okay. So this is a different. We have a jacket. We call this one bando. Okay. So come like this. It's too easy. This is it. So this is our nigiri. And then the next one, we gotta make some plating. Okay, first, we're gonna cut our maki first before we're gonna start plating. Just make sure we dip the tip of our knife here in the water. So the purpose that one, if we cut our maki, we cannot break. So we cut at least 8 pieces. Once from forward,
So it's frozen.
it's a normal water. So the purpose of one being we're cutting all kinds of wet. It's not to be sticky when we're cutting. We cannot broke the maki because the rice is too sticky. Okay. We're gonna cut one more. We have 8 pieces, and then we're gonna keep this one for me. Miss. And then we gotta put some of our sweet carrots, or they call this one tuma, with together the cucumber from the center for the base of our sashimi. So we have here octopus, eel, tuna, and salmon. And then for the side, California, and then our nigiri. And don't forget to clean always our table. For the side dish, we have alga, or we call this one wasabi, ginger pickle, and then lemon wedge. Okay, my favorite, wasabi ice cream. And now for the sauce. Okay, we have a teriyaki sauce. This one we mix together with the teriyaki sauce with the Japanese mayo. Let's come like this. We place on the top. So now, ma'am, sir, this is how 12 pieces boxed in or boxed away. Thank you so much. I'm gonna make a little bit explanation regarding here in the Sushino, how it works here. And then for the lunch, we have a unlimited experience for only 16 euro. For the dinner, we have 23 euro. But that's why we have a different price for the dinner and the lunch, because in the dinner we have a little bit more good, nice and plating. Nice also new menu. We have a samurai, rainbow, so we can take that one. And then for the basic away, we have 12 pieces. It's mixed. You can choose wherever you want. And then we have a Sushino Happy Sushino Hour. We can start this one at this 6 to 8 p.m. We have 12 pieces and then 6 pieces sauce. So for the unlimited experience, sorry, for the first boat I want to choose, and then if you finish the first boat, you want to choose that one. Thank you so much, ma'am. So that's it. Have a nice day. Arigatou gozaimasu.